Hello, my name is Adam Vincent, and I'm here today to talk to you about HomeWatcher, a property inspection checklist. And this application is going to be geared around a certain niche market. This is going to be for people who own companies that watch over vacation homes, multiple properties and such, property managers, and there are people that just do home watching. And many of these people that I've found, especially in my area of Southwest Florida and many other touristy style locations, a lot of these people are retired that run these companies. The more and more people that I've ran across and talked to, people tell me about their different ways of handling their business. Some of them have big books of all their properties with printed pictures and paper that they're still using, ledgers and such that they're using. They might use their smartphones to take pictures, but they're still using paper checklists. So this application will give the user a very simple, laid out, easy checklist to go through, walk the properties, fill out any information needed, and email the results directly to their client right from the application. So when it starts, it takes you to the home screen. The home screen has a quick walkthrough, tells you, how you're going to walk through the application, and then two main buttons: Start New Inspection and View Past Inspections. When Start New Inspection is selected, it's going to take the user to the customer information page where they can fill out the customer's name, email address, phone number, property address, and inspection date. When the next button is hit, the data is saved and takes the user to the exterior checklist. Now both the exterior and the interior checklist will look very similar to what you see here, but have their each individual inspection items. When the previous button is selected, it takes the user back to the screen before to allow for any edits that might need to be made. But when the next button is hit for the exterior view, the information is saved and sends the user to the interior checklist. Well, when the user walks through the interior checklist and hits the next button, the information is therefore added to the list, and the user is sent to the results view. So this is more of a review page. The edit button will send you back to the customer information to allow you to make any edits and step you through the checklist just to make sure that there's no errors. But if everything looks good, you can send the email to the client. This will launch the device's default email client, populate it with the information, and allow you to send. Back to the home page, the View Past Inspections button allows the user to go to a list to see past inspections. When each list item is selected, it takes them to a detail view. But you can also click Start New Inspection directly from this list, just in case you ended up here by accident. But when the items are selected, the detail view is shown and looks much like the review in the fact that it will populate with all of the information from that particular inspection. Nothing else is done here except for going back to the list. So once again, you see it's a very simple laid out application, but it has purpose, and it gives users that might feel a little intimidated with a cluttered UI that has a lot of buttons that let you take pictures and such, which pictures would be a valuable thing for this, but in the time allotted, really think that it's not necessary right now. So this could be a great tool for somebody to use to get their job done quickly and efficiently. As always, I want to thank you for listening and really hope you have a pleasant day.